Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can download and install the Google Chrome browser into your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So in case other browser on your Windows is not working fine and you want to enjoy browsing in the Google Chrome browser, then you can download that. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, open your Microsoft Edge browser. This is the default browser of your Windows. Then here you just have to simply type Google Chrome download. It's Google Chrome download and then hit on enter. Now you will have this first option, www.google.com, the fast and secure web browser built to be yours. You have to click on that. Then here you will have this button, download Chrome. Click on that. And the installer file will be downloaded. Now double click and then simply close the Microsoft Edge window. So this is downloading the application. So we just have to wait for this. So now it has been installed into our Windows. So we just have to click on sign in. So sign in with your email account right here. So I'm going to input mine. Click on next. I'm just going to enter the password. Click on next. Then here, just click on no thanks. Then maximize this. But before that, click on got it. And then maximize this. Then here you have just downloaded and installed the Google Chrome browser into your Windows. So you can simply search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and that will appear as an application for your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.